Hello guys, welcome back to our series on commonly asked programming questions. So today we are going to see our next question, that is program to find smallest element in an array. Okay, so what we are given is we are given an array, integer array, and we have to find out the smallest element in that. Okay, suppose we have given 89124, right, array, and in that you can see that 1 is the smallest element, right? So we have to write a code for it and we have to find the smallest element, right? So let's see the algorithm. Here you can find the algorithm. I am going to explain it with the help of code only. Okay, so you can check the algorithm and code in various programming languages. Here at this I will share the link to this article, so it will be easy for you. So let's understand this code with the help of online compiler. Let's see the code in C programming language. So here is our code. Here hash include str.h, that header file we have included, and we have defined an array of length 5, and there are some elements in an array. Right, here we are statically defining an array. You can also take an input from user, right? We have defined one variable which will hold our smallest array element, right? So initially what we have done is we have taken the first element of an array as an smallest element, right? And then what we are doing is we are iterating over the array, right? So each an element we are accessing using loop, and we are checking with the that variable in which we are holding our first variable, right, or in which we are holding our zeroth element of an array, and we are checking whether any element that is smaller than that var value, okay, that variable that is initially that value is the first element of an array, right? So if any element we have found while moving in the array that is smaller than that value, then we are going to store that smaller value in that variable, right? So here you can see we have started from I equal to 1 to I less than 5, right? So as our length is 5, so we have just iterating over each and every element in an array, and then inside that we have checked that variable that is initially it is 7, right? 7 is greater than 9. Yeah, condition true. Okay, no, that's not true, right? That 7 is smaller than 9, right? So condition false, that's not. Then we iterate over next loop. That means that is I equal to 2, then the value is 1, right? So now what we will do, where that is stored 7 is greater than 1, condition true. Now what will be the value of where will be 1, right? Array of I, that is array of 2, that is 1, right? So now new value of where is 1, right? Next iteration what we have is minus 15. Okay, so it will check where that is 1 is greater than equal to minus 15, condition is true. So now the new value of where is minus 15, right? And then again we will move to the loop, and this time our element will be 0. So is minus 15 greater than 0? Condition is false, so this condition will not be satisfied. So we will exit the loop as all elements are covered, right? So I will be 5, and that loop condition will be false, and we will exit that loop. So now in the var variable we are holding our smallest element. So now what we are going, we are printing that the var value which stores our smallest value. So this is our code, and this is the working of the code. Okay, so when we execute this code, what we will get, smallest element in array is minus 15. That's what our question is. I hope you understand the code. If you have any doubt, you can mention that in the comment section. Thanks a lot.